In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate automation in Omnisend. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a clean copy of an existing flow so you can test variations or repurpose a setup without rebuilding it from scratch. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Omnisend and press Enter. You're looking for the official Omnisend website. It should be one of the top search results and will take you straight to their homepage. Click that link to proceed. On the homepage, look for the Login button, typically at the top right of the screen. Click Login and access your account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your dashboard, which brings us to the Automation area. From the dashboard, navigate to the Automation tab. This is where all of your workflows and customer journeys live. It's the central place to review what's active, what's in draft, and what you might want to reuse. Give the page a moment to load if you have a lot of flows. Now, find the specific automation you want to duplicate. Scan your list and look for the name and trigger that match what you're aiming to copy. It can help to double-check you've picked the right one before moving on, especially if you manage similar flows for different audiences or seasons. When you've located the correct automation, move your cursor over it and look for the ellipsis icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Click the ellipsis to open the Quick Actions menu for that flow. This menu is designed to give you fast access to common tasks without opening the full editor. From the menu, select Copy. This tells Omnisend you want to duplicate the selected automation exactly as it is. You'll be asked to confirm the action, so go ahead and click Copy to finalize. After a moment, you should see a pop-up message confirming that the copy was successful. That confirmation is your green light that the duplication worked. Your copied automation will now appear in your list of automations, ready for you to use as a starting point. Duplicating is a best practice when you want to preserve the original setup, test a different message sequence, or prepare a version tailored to a new segment, all while keeping the source untouched. And that's it. Quick, reliable, and no rebuilding required.